stubble burning in the national capital continues to be a problem. Why is that so? We'll try and give you a sense. As you can see, this is still early evening here in the national capital, but there is this cloud of smoke or haze that has engulfed the entire city. This is still early evenings, but there is this haze that has taken over the entire atmosphere here in the national capital, and this haze is a direct result of the impact of the stubble burning that happens in neighbouring states like Punjab, Haryana and others, which is why today the Supreme Court has had to get involved, and the court today specifically mentioned in its orders that whatever orders it is passing does not have a bearing on the efficiency or the effectiveness of the measures that have been taken by the other authorities or agencies. However, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and appointed a one-member committee which will be headed by former retired judge of the Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Madan Lokur, who will try and intersect with all various other agencies of other neighbouring states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and also Delhi to coordinate efforts to try and see that stubble burning does not spike and the atmospheric levels in Delhi are bearable. The Supreme Court also went on to observe as to how it feels that the interim period of time where the court is taking a short break on account of the approaching Navratras, the Supreme Court hopes that the citizens are able to breathe a fresh and clean air, which is the inherent part of their right. However, this is an issue which has featured in the Supreme Court time and again. Every year, this time of the year, we see the stubble burning and air pollution issue come up for consideration by the Supreme Court, and it is only subsequent to the Supreme Court cracking the whip that we see a concerted, coordinated effort being taken by various agencies of various administrations. This is happening when already we have seen a high-profile meeting being conducted by the Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister's office pertaining to issues like stubble burning, which is continuing as we have seen in states like Punjab and oftentimes some other states as well. Today, the Supreme Court has also lauded the efforts of the ground staff, including student-like groups of the NCC, the NSS and other such groups, and the court has hoped that various aspects of different state administrations can go on to enlist the help of such groups to ensure that stubble burning really can be sort of checked. Now, the stubble burning issue is something which the Supreme Court has taken stock of even last year when it was the bench headed by now retired Honorable Justice Arun Mishra, which had gone on to crack the whip on chief secretaries of various neighbouring states of Delhi like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and some other states, and he had sought to know as to why is it that despite knowing that this is a recurring issue, various state bodies swing into action rather late. This time around again, stubble burning is featuring prominently in the court's mind, which is why we are seeing the setting up of this committee to see a more coordinated effort being made between different state agencies to try and see that the atmospheric levels of Delhi can be kept in check.